So now the swallows don't need to go away for winter. They can have a holiday here.
Oh, Jojo, this is really very beautiful. But the swallows will still find it too chilly out here.
I know. It's much warmer in Gran-Gran's kitchen, Panda. The swallows can come in here.
Birds migrate for other reasons too, Jojo.
Oh.
They might look for more food or somewhere safe to lay their eggs. Why don't we keep your holiday until the swallows come back in spring? They can enjoy it then.
But that's ages away.
Jojo, I think it's time for a Gran-Gran plan. You'll need your nature tick book, Jojo. Now, you wait here while I carry this bird food outside. We all need to be very quiet and very still, OK?
OK.
Look there, Jojo.
Whoa! There are so many birds, Gran-Gran. And there's my favourite, Robin.
Swallows fly to warmer countries in the winter, but lots of birds stay here all year round. So until the swallows come back in the spring, we can spot lots of different birds in the garden.
Jojo!